I'm Dave Sheik with SDG Components. This year we're bringing in 3 new series to bring some extra attention to some of our already successful models. And so first we have the Shabuya series, which was kind of designed with a idea around one of the most fashion-oriented districts in Tokyo, and bringing some funky colors definitely to the mix with the beam version and the railed. And you know, definitely have some different colored offset multicolored rails and into the top covers from the Dusters, Bel Air, and the iFlies, which are tried and true. And the next collection would be the Matrix, using the same models. We had kind of the idea of this digital camo, but you know, making it a little bit funky on each design and a little bit different with some textured tops, and still the strong Kevlar materials along the side for the flies and the Bel Air to take that abuse. And then into our Anthem collection, which is, you know, with this Olympic year and some of the success that we had with the Americana in the past, we took that idea of the stars and bars and put it into more than just, you know, the 1 or 2 models that we had for those series, and put it into the Duster, as well as that Fly and Bel Air, as I said, and then that Falcon model, which we have redesigned for this year. For this year, what we did is, you know, we have the Falcon model, which basically has been kind of redesigned. We did something a little bit differently to the top cover from what we had before. It's a nice kind of all-around saddle, but you can definitely spend the time of it looking at the design. It's flat forward from where the sit bones are, and it has a slight rear rise to kind of help with that pelvis to rotate forward. It's got a good channel down the middle to alleviate some of that pressure, but underneath, if you look, there's a undercut, which actually allows a little bit more extra relief for people that are in more aggressive position or and they lean forward. And it actually, the design that we use forward is just super clean and straightforward in comparison to some of the other things that we have, such as the series, that are super loud for this year. But then going back to that, we did a redesign of our circuit, which is our road saddle, and kind of XC oriented, that we designed with some race teams in the past, but we took it and now looking at this whole world of enduro with like Remy Absalon and the other success that's going on with the development of enduro in the US and in Europe. We took that circuit and we designed it into a mountain version, taking the, you know, the technology and knowledge that we have from other things. We put a textured top onto it with, you know, solid materials, and then instead of just a single top, we did the stitching along the side where we could put Kevlar and other things, using that strong nylon fiber base. And you know, you're going to get the direct power transfer, but as well as the relief from the undercut that's there. And we made some great colors to go with, especially some of the things that are coming to the industry this year.